We have a question over here. Question says, in the given circuit, ammeter A1, A2 are ideal. Ammeter A3 has a resistance of 1.9 10 raised to the power minus 3 ohm. Find the readings of all the meters. So that's first ammeter, and that is the next ammeter we have. Further, we have ammeter over here as well. Okay, so this is ammeter number A1, A2, and A3. Okay, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, and we have the resistors attached over here like this. Okay, and the resistor over here. Okay, basically this is 8-volt battery which is connected. 8 volt, this is 10 volt, and the resistance is of 5 and 3 ohm. 5 ohm and 3 ohm. This is how much? This is 10 volt. 10 volt, and 20 volt 15 ohm. This is 15 ohm, this is 20 volt. So now let's start solving this question. So the current which is flowing along this branch is I1. That is what I am supposing. I1 is flowing like this, and in the other branch the current, actually the current leaving from this one is I. Out of that, I1 is flowing here. Okay, like this. I1 is flowing in this branch, and I2 is flowing in this branch. Okay, so I2 current is flowing in this branch like this, and so now we can say that uh, I2 and A3. We talk of A3 has a resistance of in ohm, 1.9 milliohm. Okay, so that's given. So basically, we can write that I2 plus I. Okay, I2 plus I is equal to I1. That's the equation number 1, and we can write 8 minus 5I, 8 minus 5I plus 10 minus 3I1 is equal to 0. So the next step will be 18. We are 10 plus 8, 18 is equal to 5I. 18 is equal to 5I plus 3I1. That's one equation we are getting here, and we can write minus 20 of plus 15I 2. Okay, minus of 5I. Okay, and plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here I can write this is minus 20 and plus 10. So what is minus 20 and plus 10? That is minus 10, and plus 15I2 minus 5I is equal to 0. So 15I2 minus 5I is equal to 10. Okay, and here we have one more equation over here. So we have got just two equations like this, and we already know one more equation, that I2 plus this is equal to I1. Okay, so instead of writing I2, I can write uh, instead of I2 I can write I1 minus I. So this is 15 I1 minus I minus 5I is equal to 10. So let's divide the entire equation by 5. So this becomes 3 times I1 minus I is equal to 2. So 3I1 minus 3I minus I is equal to 2. So 3I1 minus 4I is equal to 2. That's the another equation we are getting right now. Okay, one is this and one is this. 3I1, the equation 1 is 3I1 plus 5I is equal to 18. Okay, and the second equation is 3I1 minus 4I. 4I is equal to 2. Let's subtract them. minus plus minus cancel. 5 and 4, 9i is equal to 16. So I is coming as 16 by 9 ampere. That is the value of total current we are getting. Okay, so total current is coming out as this. So now we can write, if we have calculated this, let's place it above. So 3i1 plus 5 times I 16 by 9 is equal to 18. So I can write 3i1 is equal to 18 minus 80 by 9. So 3i1 is equal to, this is equal to 18 times 9 minus 80 by 9. Okay, so I1 is coming out to be how much? Let's multiply this. 18 times 9. So 18 times 9 is 162. 162 minus 80 is 82. So this is 82 by 27. Okay, that's what it is. 82 by 27 ampere. That is the value of I1. We already know that I2 is what? I1 minus I. I1 minus I. I1 is 82 by 27 minus total current I is 16 by 9. Taking LCM as 27, we are getting 82 minus 16 into 3, 48. So what is 82 minus 48? So that is equal to 34. So this is 34 by 27 ampere. That is the value of I2. Now we have calculated the value of I1, I2 and I. Okay, now we have calculated all the three values, and let's say the current that is flowing in this branch is I3, and that is 0. No current will flow through this branch. Okay, so now we have calculated this. We just need to calculate, find the reading of the 3 meters. So we can calculate that actually. So what is the sum of I1 plus I2 plus I3? So basically, one is 82 by 27, one is 34 by 27. Okay, so what is I1 plus I2 plus I3? I3 is 0. I1 and I2 is how much? I1 is 82 by 27 plus I2 is 34 by 27. So how much is this? 4 and 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 by 27. So that's what we are getting. 116 divided by 27. So we can write this as 2 into 58 by 27. Okay, and so find the reading of the meters. That's what we need to calculate. So that's the answer we are getting. The answer will be like, we take 2 by 27. Okay, so this will be like, that's the solution for this particular question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.